Hey everyone, Paul here from Brown Bushcraft with Daisy, and today we're going to be going out fishing for some monster Chinook salmon, so don't go away. Thank you for joining me, and as you can tell from around me, winter is coming. So today we're going to be going out trying to catch a salmon run. It's usually hit and miss. You usually kind of got to go a few times and kind of dial them in. Sometimes you're early, but you don't want to be too late and miss the run either. I've been out a couple times already. They were starting to come up a bit last week, so I'm pretty sure I'm going to hit the run full on today. So I'm pretty optimistic, and hopefully you'll stick around and see if I caught any. Bam! Let me tell you, that was a good day's fishing. Ended up catching 5. I kept 3. I let 2 go, lost 1. The biggest one was 22 pounds, 38 inches, all in the 22 to 20 pound range. Let me tell you, if you've never caught a big salmon like that on a small river, it's quite a blast. You're running up and down the river after it. It's usually a 15.5 hour fight just to reel the thing in, and oh, it's a rush. I look forward to this time of the year every year. The run usually comes in late September into October in my area. I don't know about your area, but if you have any salmon runs around you, I'm telling you, look into it and go out and catch some of those monsters. It's a blast. I can tell you though, the hardest thing about these big salmons after you get them in is, for me, the 30-minute walk through the bush back to the truck to bring them in, which is probably the reason I only kept 3, because 30 minutes 3 times with 20-25 pounds carrying, let me tell you, it wears you out. I got home and I was just done for. So it's quite a chore to haul these big monsters in. I don't feel as bad keeping them because they do die after they spawn. So for me, when I go salmon fishing, I'm usually using a medium to heavy action fishing rod, usually 7-8 feet, and 15 to 20 pound test line. And I use roe bags, which is salmon eggs wrapped up in a little pouch. Well, there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed that one. I know I sure did. And if you have any questions about salmon fishing or anything else, just drop me a comment and I'll be glad to answer you if I can. And once again, thank you for everything that you do for me and my channel. I really appreciate the support. And please like, comment, subscribe. Until next time, thanks for everything, guys. And me and Daisy here, we'll see you all out in the woods.